So just in case you still didn't know, or somebody still hasn't told you yet, where to bring your car, or where to get your car painted. Well, if you really have any more doubts, you really shouldn't. There's only one place in the DMV where your car should go for paint. That's LG Auto Body. You don't get this everywhere. Don't let other people lie to you. God damn. I had to clean off the lens real quick because it was too dirty to capture all the details. That's just nasty. LG Auto Body. You know what we do, you know how we do. The rest is up to you. Why we not painting your car? I don't know. I do not know.